Now I will introduce programming of Huazhong CNC system for turning. We can see the lander diagram. For this type of parts, we need to consider the double-sided clamping, and the thread will be machined at last. The default size of the blank is diameter of 50 mm multiplied by 75 mm. On the left, there is a cylindrical surface to be machined with a diameter of 48 mm, and the machining length can be larger than 25 mm. Now, here we start manual programming. And the program is created with the name O0001. T0101. Select Tool Composition 1 of Tool 1. G00X35Z60. Determine the rapid transverse position. M03S600. Spindle forward rotates at a speed of 600 rpm. G01X50 Z2 F200. Move coordinate axis to the starting point of machining. G01 is lidar interpolation, and the moving speed is 200 mm per minute. G71 U1 R1 P1 Q2 X 0.2 Z 0.1 F100. Use the compound cycle command G71. U is the feed amount, R is the retract amount, P means to start finishing machining, Q means to end the finishing machining, X and Z are finishing allowance. N1 G00 X0 S 1200. Finishing starts. Move to point 0 of x-axis of the workpiece, and the speed is 1200 rpm. G01Z 0 F60. Move to point 0 of z-axis of the workpiece. X48 C1 Z -25 contour machining. N2 G00 X50. Finishing ends. G00 X80 Z80. The machining is completed and the tool retracts. M30. Program ends. Now the program of the left part of workpiece is completed. We continue the programming of the right part. We create a new program. with the name of O0002. We need 3 kinds of tools for the machining of right part. Cylindrical turning tool, grooving tool, threading tool. Firstly, we use outside cylindrical tool to machine the contour firstly. Then we use grooving tool to machine the undercut. Then we use threading tool to machine thread. T0101, G00, X35, Z60, M03, S600, G01, X50, Z2, F200, G71, U1, R1, P1, Q2, X0.2, Z0.1, F100. N1, G00, S1200, G01, Z0, F60. The previous program block can be used directly. X30, say 2, Z-23, X42, say 0.5, Z-50, X46, G03, X48, Z-52, R2. Make the program of machining path along with the outline. N2, G00, X50. Finish machining ends. G00, X80, Z80. The machining is completed and the tool retracts. T0202. Select the grooving tool for machining. M03, S400. Slower the grooving speed. G00, X43, Z-23. The tool stops at the starting point of machining. G01, X26, F50. Machine to the bottom of groove. G00X80. The x-axis retracts. Z80. The z-axis retracts. After machining the undercut, we begin to do threading. T0303. Call the threading tool. M03S600. Make the speed of 600 RPM. G00X32Z2. Move coordinated axis to the starting point of threading. G76C2 A60 X 27.4 Z minus 20.8 K 1.299 U 0.1 V 0.1 Q 0.5 F 2. The G76 is the compound cutting cycle compound. C refers to the times of finishing. A is the tool load angle. X and Z are ending points of thread. K is the thread height. U is the finishing allowance. V is the medium cutting depth. Q is the first cutting depth. F is the pitch. G00X80 Z80. Tool retracts. M30. Program ends. Now we have made the program, and let's start the simulation verification. In SwanSoft CNC Simulator, select the CNC controller as the HNC 808DT and click to run. Press Power On button. And release emergency stop. Click Workpiece Operation. Select Blank Fixture. Create the blank with diameter of 50 mm multiplied by 75. Click OK. After blank setting is completed, select the tool. Click Machine Operation. Select Tool. Tool 1 is the cylindrical turning tool. Tool 2 is the grooving tool. And Tool 3 is the threading tool. After tool is created, start the tool setting. Click Operation. Select Rapid Traversy Positioning. Click OK. Now the tool nose of Tool 1 contacts with the blank center. Click Tool Composition button on the interface of Machine Control. Click Pre-Cutting Length in Composition table of Tool 1. Input 0 and click OK. Click pre-cutting diameter and input 0 and click OK. After true and blank are set, put the program 00001 into Huazhong CNC simulator. Enter the edit interface into Alt mode. Click Create, and the name is 01000. Click OK. Now we need to place the program created just now on the main interface of panel. Click the file to open it. Now we need to search the program 00001. Now we put the program to 00001. Click Return to the reference point to make the X and Z axis to go back to the Z0 point of the machine. Click Cycle Start to start the simulation. Now the simulation of the left part of workpiece is completed. Click Workpiece Operation. Click Turn Around Workpiece. And click Move Out of Workpiece to ensure the simulation result. Repeat the tool setting. Set tool composition for Tool 1, Tool 2, and Tool 3. Create a new program 02000 and place it on the main interface of the panel, or you can open 00002 directly. Now the original program will be covered. Place 00002 program. Let the machine tool go back to the point 0. Click Cycle Start to start the program simulation. After the program simulation is completed, and if there is nothing wrong with the program, we finish the programming of Huazhong CNC controller for turning.